Toyota CEO's shocking prediction: this engine will destroy the EV industry. An engine that will destroy the whole EV industry. Sounds like a clickbait, but trust me, it isn't. When we all thought Toyota was out of the EV game, they came up with something that would become dangerous to all the other competitors. So what is it, and how could it be a great danger for every other EV brand? Want to find out? Then stick with us till the end. Welcome back to our channel. It's time to discuss some important matters, so let's jump right into today's video. Toyota CEO's shocking prediction: this engine will destroy the EV industry. Toyota's garage is currently working on a new project. Furthermore, it's not just any car. We're discussing a brand new hydrogen vehicle that is revolutionary. You may have heard of the Toyota Mirai, a hydrogen-powered car that generates electricity using fuel cells. However, Toyota has recently developed a whole new idea. The new hydrogen combustion engine is what it is known as. The automotive sector may experience a revolution because of this technology. Toyota is following a different path than other automakers who have switched to all-electric vehicles, but being better is more important than simply being different. So let's get started. Let's discuss the new hydrogen combustion engine from Toyota, how it functions, and what it implies for the sector. We are all aware of the dire state of the Earth, and according to globalcitizen.org, the transport sector is to blame for a staggering 15% of global carbon emissions. It's also no secret that conventional combustion engines have contributed significantly to the pollution issue. While electric vehicles are undoubtedly becoming more and more popular, some could argue that they aren't the only solution. Enter the hydrogen combustion engine, Toyota's most recent addition to its varied strategy for achieving carbon neutrality. Among all non-nuclear energy sources, hydrogen has the highest specific energy density and is the most prevalent element in the universe. It may be made from a variety of sources, stored indefinitely, and shipped very easily. It is also non-toxic and non-exhaustive. Every year, millions of tons of hydrogen is created and used safely as a power source for ships, trains, electric cars, forklifts, and buildings. What is the situation with hydrogen engines then? They don't need to be recharged like electric cars, and they have wider ranges. Water is the only byproduct leaving the tailpipe. True, there are no dangerous pollutants. You may now be curious as to how everything operates. Each and every hydrogen engine makes use of a fuel cell to turn hydrogen into power. It resembles magic while using science. And did you know that in 1997, when Toyota initially introduced the Prius, it started to reduce the number of its fossil fuel-powered vehicles? They have been traveling on the green train for some time, but are not the only ones though. Solar, electric, and hydrogen-powered vehicles are being developed by automakers all around the world. Not only does it involve preserving the environment, but it also involves ensuring energy security, enhancing air quality, and reducing environmental damage. Additionally, once produced, hydrogen can be distributed effectively and affordably. The majority of new hydrogen fueling stations for vehicles electrolyze surplus renewable energy on site to produce hydrogen. The best thing, though, these containerized stations simply need power and water to function. Green tariffs are used to deliver power, or at some stations, solar or wind energy is used on-site directly. Toyota now claims to have developed a new method of harnessing hydrogen power. The Corolla Cross H2 concept, a revolutionary concept vehicle with a hydrogen combustion engine, was recently displayed by its engineering team. Toyota has been developing a new vehicle that uses a different hydrogen combustion engine than the fuel cell technology that powers the Toyota Mirai, their most recent hydrogen-powered vehicle. The idea of using hydrogen to power internal combustion engines is not new. German automaker BMW was one of the forerunners in the industry, launching the 750HL in 2002 and the Hydrogen 7 in 2005. In order to burn hydrogen in addition to petrol, BMW's Hydrogen 7 was based on a conventional 6-liter V12 engine. Getting the correct vehicle to the right location at the right time is everything. As a result, you must make investments across the board to satisfy everyone's short, medium, and long-term needs. And that's where hydrogen enters the picture, playing a crucial role in Toyota's Beyond Zero initiative, and they intend to use their H2 to achieve it. Perhaps you're wondering, what is H2? That's just Toyota's fancy word for internal combustion engines that run on hydrogen, and that appears to be the direction that car technology is headed. How then does this operate? A 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine powers the GR Corolla H2, but with a unique twist: hydrogen instead of petrol. Toyota, which adapted this technology from its FCEV, the Mirai, employs thick armored fuel tanks to hold the highly combustible hydrogen, and the car can travel up to 300 miles on just 5 kilograms of hydrogen, while only emitting 50 liters of water. Talk about being green! Let's now discuss power. Toyota and Yamaha Motor are working together to develop a V8 engine that runs on hydrogen. Yes, a V8 with 455 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque that is powered by hydrogen. The true sensation, though, the 8-into-1 exhaust manifold, which is positioned on top and produces a distinctive high-frequency sound. Additionally, compared to electric vehicles, hydrogen-powered automobiles have a longer range and refuel in less time, just 90 seconds for the GR Yaris. Additionally, it lessens the demand for materials with limited supplies like nickel and lithium, which are utilized in EV battery packs. The GR Corolla H2 is thus something to watch out for, whether you're a gearhead or just admire cutting-edge technology. It won't be long before we see these cars on the road because real-world testing has already begun. When that happens, disregard everything you've learned about electric vehicles, since Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine offers a number of benefits over them. Let's now get to the point. What advantages does this new technology offer? Let's start with the primary problem with electric vehicles: charging. Although we've all heard the horror stories, hydrogen makes it unnecessary. While there aren't many sources now delivering hydrogen, when there are, they often work well with conventional filling stations. Hydrogen cars require 90 seconds to fill up, just like ICE cars. Additionally, the GR Yaris H2 is even more environmentally friendly thanks to its compact battery, which uses less raw materials like lithium or nickel. Now, I know we gave you a lot of information and it could be hard to digest, so let me give you the gist of it. Toyota is revolutionizing the automotive industry with its new hydrogen combustion engine. While electric vehicles are becoming more popular, the hydrogen combustion engine may also be a solution to reducing carbon emissions. That's all for today. If you liked the video, do drop a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe, press the bell icon, and get notified for more informative content. Until then, goodbye.